The Jabra Elite 10 offers an exceptional range of features to elevate your audio experience in various real-life situations. Whether you're on your daily commute, engaged in work calls, or enjoying immersive music sessions, these earbuds are designed to provide a versatile and comfortable experience. The Jabra Elite 10 are very comfortable to wear and provide a secure fit, but also relieves in-ear pressure, promoting extended wear without discomfort. With a variety of ear gels and a semi-open earbud design, the Elite 10 delivers a comfortable experience. The earbuds and charging case are made entirely of smooth silicone-like rubber, which is soft to the touch but has the drawback of being very slippery in the fingers. The 10mm speakers, coupled with Dolby head tracking, deliver immersive audio during commutes. The Advanced Active Noise Cancellation, ANC, excels in noisy environments, blocking low, mid-range and high frequencies, creating a sanctuary of uninterrupted sound. The ANC performance is on par, give or take, with the top-tier competition. The 2x stronger ANC is particularly valuable in very noisy environments. However, it's worth noting that, unlike some competitors, the Elite 10 lacks customizable ANC levels, limiting users from fine-tuning noise cancellation to specific preferences, but the transparency mode, hear-through, can be manually adjusted via the app. The semi-open design, while contributing to comfort, may also reduce noise isolation for users seeking complete audio immersion. The 6-mic call technology, incorporating external and internal mics, delivers superb audio quality with noise filtration for important calls like work calls or working from home. The voice pickup is loud, clear and natural sounding. There is also a wind mode, which works effectively and kicks in automatically in windy conditions. Physical buttons on the earbuds offer precise control for managing up to 3 functions per earbud via 3 gestures: single press, double press and triple press. There is no long press option. The audio playback gesture functions can be customized, just like the call gesture functions: answer, end, reject, hold, side tone, mute, which can be customized for incoming calls and active calls. The physical buttons are tactile, similar to the Elite 7 Pro and Elite 5 earbuds. For added convenience, the Jabra Elite 10 offers wireless and USB-C charging options, complemented by a Qi-certified case. The magnetic secure fit within the case adds an extra layer of reassurance, ensuring the earbuds remain protected and fully charged. The case has a curved shape so it cannot stand upright. The lid hinge isn't the strongest but doesn't wobble. The Jabra Sound Plus app further enhances the Elite 10's user experience, compatible with both Android and iOS devices. This app offers a range of features, including battery status tracking, customizable music 5-band EQ, preset EQ configurations for various music genres, personalized earbud controls, and relaxing ambient sounds. While the Jabra Sound Plus app enriches the experience, some advanced features are app-dependent, which may be a drawback for users who prefer a more standalone experience. Additionally, users may find the ear detection sensitivity to be too high or too low, impacting the accuracy of auto-pause and play functionality. Weighing in at 5 grams each, the earbuds provide a lightweight profile for enhanced comfort. The charging case weighs 47 grams and measures 2.4 centimeters thick by 4.6 centimeters wide by 6.5 centimeters long, so it has a slimline design suited for small pockets. The earbuds have an IP57 rating, while the case has an IP54 rating against water and dust. In conclusion, the Jabra Elite 10 impresses with its commitment to user comfort, immersive audio, and advanced ANC technology. App support through the Jabra Sound Plus app adds a layer of customization and personalization, making it a versatile and high-performing choice in the true wireless earbud market. Despite some limitations in battery life with ANC and personal preferences on design, the overall performance, user-centric design, and rich feature set position the Elite 10 as a strong contender if you're seeking a premium audio solution for both work and leisure.